Everyone has a lot of extra time in their life. And if you learn how to encash your skill in this free time, you can earn a lot of profit. Hi, this is Ankit here, and today I will tell you the best possible ways to earn money by sitting at your home. The first way is online tutoring. Online tutoring is the easiest way to earn handsome money as it does not require any extra skill or investment. You just need to solve the questions which you have studied in high school or in college on an online platform and get paid in return. For example, you can solve questions on TutorBean in exchange for money. You just need to register as a tutor, pass a basic test of your selected subjects, and that's it. After that, you can solve questions, solve and submit them, and get paid in return. The second way is freelancing. If you have a skill or have an interest in any of the field like programming, designing, marketing, you can find a job which you can easily do by sitting at your home. You can make an account on various sites like Fiverr, Upwork. Just deliver the accepted work and start earning from there. The third way is online course. If you have a skill that you can teach others, then you can make a course of your learning and sell that on an online platform like Teachable. It can be anything from marketing course, cooking course, or any instrumental learning course even. You will earn money every time when anyone purchases the course which is made by you. The fourth one is Facebook and Instagram. You can earn money if you have a fan base on your social media pages. A company can pay you a huge amount of money for even one post among your followers for its branding. You can work as an influencer marketer if you have a huge followers on your social media pages. The fifth and the last one is blogging. If you have a good writing skill, then you can work for someone and get paid directly. Or you can make your own blog site. When you have your own blog site, then you can use Google AdSense on that, which means if your traffic click on the ad which is on your blog, then you can get money and earn money for every single click. Also, you can promote affiliate links within your blog. If your reader click on those links and buy the corresponding service or product, then you can earn a commission in between that. Another way to earn money from your blog is to generate leads like email ID, phone number of your readers and sell those who actually need these. By doing this, your readers also get connected to someone who actually provide them some service or product. So these are the few ways by which you can earn money by sitting at your home. Hope you find this video helpful and hope this will help you in making your decision on how to invest your time and skill to earn extra money.